together and for all the blessings you showered to each and every one of us. Forgive us for all our sins, our weaknesses, and our selfishness. Guide each and every one of us as we or the world is going through this trial. Cover us with your mantle of protection. Together we proclaim your name as our Father, Healer, Savior, and our God. Thank you for everyone you bless with wisdom and courage. For everybody who risked their lives to do their duties and beyond. This trial definitely brings us closer to you and truly put us back to our place, that we and everything we have or everything we owned are nothing without you, God. Thank you for loving us unconditionally, for accepting us, and for protecting us. Please heal everyone who is affected by this COVID-19 and protect all their loved ones. Protect each and every one of us, as well as our loved ones who are far from us. Heal them, God. Heal the world. In Jesus' name we pray, and with the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary, our Mother. Amen.